How to fix TikTok login problem. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can fix TikTok login issue or login problem. Now, the first thing you want to make sure is if you're trying to log into your account and it's just not logging in, then you have to make sure that the issue is not within the TikTok server. Now, TikTok server heavily relies on online servers, so if the server is down, then you might not be able to log into your account. Now, to check if it is the server issue, then simply head over to your browser on your phone or desktop and search for TikTok server down. Now once you search it, you'll get the link right here. You can see down detector, and if you open up this app, it'll give you the reports of TikTok server. You can see user reports indicate no current problems at TikTok. So this means there is no particular server error, but if there is a server error or if the TikTok server is down, it will show up there, and then you might try to wait for a few hours or few moments, because there is absolutely nothing that you can do if the server is down itself. Now if this isn't the issue, however, then the second thing you want to check is your internet connection. TikTok relies heavily on a stronger internet connection, so what you want to do is try switching between your networks. You can switch between your mobile data and Wi-Fi connection. You can try switching between different Wi-Fi networks, and this might fix the issue. However, if this isn't the case, then it might just be that you haven't updated the app. Now, in order to update the app, head over to your App Store or your Play Store and then search in for TikTok, and you'll get an interface like this if you are on Android Google Play Store. And if your app isn't updated, you'll get the update option instead of this open option that you can see on the screen right now. Simply tap on update, and once you update it, you must be able to log in back to your account. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.